The enumeration types, also called enums in C#, allow you to define a set of named values. I'm going to try to explain very quickly several aspects, which is the definition and the syntax of the enums, their underlying types, values and names, how to access the enum members, enum conversions, methods and properties, iteration, enum flags, parsing, and extensions. Definition and syntax. Enums are declared using the enum keyword. Here's a sample enum declarations, which is called days of week. And then inside the main method, you can see how we initialize a variable called today with the value days of week Monday, and then we print it to the console. We also can use a if statement to check if it's the weekend based on the value of the variable today. And if I run the code, I'm going to get today is Monday and it's a weekday. Underlying type, by default the underlying type is integer, but you can have also byte, s byte, short, u short, u int long, and u long underlying types. Values and names is a very quick example of what the difference between the values and the names are. We have two enums, colors and days of week. The colors have names red, green, and blue, and by default the assigning values start from 0. So we have 0, the green is assigned a value of 1, and then we have explicitly assigned a value of 5 to blue. And the names of the enums need to be unique, and they have to follow the same rules as the regular C# identifiers. Accessing the enum members. The enum members can be accessed using the dot notation. For example, if we have declared a enum called colors, we can access the red name by using colors.red. Here's a code snippet that demonstrates how to access the enum name, and if I run it, it's going to print my favorite color is red. Enum conversions. Here's a little bit of code that can explain the enum conversions. Inside we have a enum called days of week with the assigned values, and inside the main method we can see that we use int to convert the enum Tuesday to its underlying value, which is actually 2. So if I run the code, it is going to print today is day 2 of the week, and we can also print the name. So the next line is going to read today's name is Tuesday. So you can use the name of the enum and convert it to its underlined value. Enum flags, parsing, and extensions, I'm going to go over them very quickly. The enums can be combined using the bitwise operators to represent multiple values. The enum parsing, you can parse a string representation of the enum value to its corresponding member using the enum parse method. And the enum extensions, you can define extension methods on the enums to add additional behavior or utility methods. That was the whole video for today. As always, you can go to our website codeprepping.com if you want to test your knowledge and learn a bit more of C#. Thank you for watching.